emergent weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Portage County in northeastern Ohio, southwestern Geauga County in northeastern Ohio, Cuyahoga County in northeastern Ohio, northern Medina County in northeastern Ohio, southwestern Lake County in northeastern Ohio, northern Summit County in northeastern Ohio, Lorain County, until 3 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Elyria, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, public. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Cleveland, Lorain, Elyria, Willowick, Parma, Lakewood, Euclid, Mentor, Cleveland Heights, Strongsville, Brunswick, Westlake, North Royalton, North Ridgeville, Solon, Avon Lake, Willoughby, Twinsburg, Eastlake, and Warrensville Heights. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Cuyahoga, Geauga, Lake, Lorain, Medina, Portage, and Summit.